Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a hairstyle that looks stylish but it is easy to manage, then this video is just for you. As we get older, our hair changes. It may become thinner, drier or more damaged. That's why choosing a haircut that is simple and easy to maintain can save time and effort while still making you look beautiful and confident. Let's explore some of the best low maintenance haircut ideas. First is a classic short bob. This is one of the most popular haircuts for women over 50. It is simple, neat and always in style. A short bob frames your face nicely and does not need much styling. You can just wash, dry and you are ready to go. It also works well with grey or natural hair color. Next we have the layered pixie cut. This is perfect if you want something very easy to handle. A pixie cut is short and light, so it dries quickly and needs very little styling. Adding soft layers gives your hair more volume and movement. This style is great if your hair is thinning. Another great option is the shoulder length layered cut. If you prefer to keep some length, this is a perfect choice. Layers help your hair look fuller and more lively. It's easy to tie back, style or leave natural. You don't need to spend a lot of time on it and it still looks elegant. Let's talk about the soft shag haircut. This style has become very popular again. It includes layers and a slightly messy look, which means you don't have to style it perfectly every day. It looks good even with minimal effort, making it a great low maintenance choice. The blunt cut is another simple and modern style. It has straight, even ends and gives a clean and polished look. This haircut works best if you like a neat appearance without too many layers. It's easy to maintain and does not require salon visit. If you have naturally curly or wavy hair, consider a natural textured cut. Instead of fighting your natural hair, this style embrace it. With the right cut, your curls or waves will fall nicely on their own. You only need a little product to keep them looking fresh. Now let's talk about bangs. Many women think bangs are high maintenance, but these are not always true. Soft side bangs can make very easy to manage and can also make you look younger. They frame your face nicely and add a gentle touch to your hairstyle. Here are a few tips. Choose a right haircut